Look at the drama, boys. Look at him. He's ready for some drama. Chill out, Bambi. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Just drama, boys. Drama. She's getting out of pizza. Look, he's licking it. He's like, yeah, I like it like that. Bambi, leave those boys alone. Fatty. His hair grew back. He just started leaving again. Gotta get him that shot again. Man, messed up my thumb, bro. Hey, chill out. You're doing too much. Chill out. Hey, BB. You don't know them. Look, he's pooping in front of him. You're disrespectful, bro. You are disrespectful, bro. On another level. Now go start to close the garage. Because if I walk in the garage, you're gonna start running into the garage. BB, leave him alone, Bruno. Can you be done? Bruno, can you be done, bro? Doesn't take. You ain't even pooping. What are you doing? This is where I end the video because he's cute. He's not even doing anything. Hey, what are you doing, bro? That's what I'm saying. Look at that. Nothing.